Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken salad. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, which can be shredded or diced. Next, prepare your creamy base with a good quality mayonnaise, finely chopped celery for crunch, and a touch of red onion for a subtle bite. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill or parsley to brighten the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Achieving the right chicken texture is key. You can poach about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts until they are tender and cooked through. Another excellent option is to use a store-bought rotisserie chicken for a quick and flavorful shortcut. Once cooked, allow the chicken to cool completely before shredding or dicing it into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This step ensures your salad has a pleasant consistency and is easy to eat. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a large bowl, combine your prepared chicken with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, and 2 tablespoons of diced red onion. Season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and your fresh herbs. Mix everything gently until well combined. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed, adding more mayonnaise if you prefer a creamier texture. This is where the magic happens. Your delicious chicken salad is ready to enjoy. Serve it on toasted artisan bread for a classic sandwich, or scoop it into crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. For a delightful twist, consider adding a handful of halved red grapes, toasted pecans, or dried cranberries to the mix. Chilling the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.